Hello there, welcome back to my channel. I'm Marygrace. Today I'm going to show you how to make silk flower clips. You can use these for your hair. You can wear them on a dress or a top. You can put them in your hair as a fascinator. You can put them on a hat, on a sun visor. You can put them on your wrist. You can do all different things with them. I got them at the 99-cent store on Seal Beach Boulevard here in town. They come with a stick and also leaves. The leaves and cut it. And it's going to be the buffer between your clip and the flower. The clip is a duckbill clip. You can get them online or at any beauty supply store. Probably get 50 of them for a few dollars. It's to open the clip with the bent part on the top and take your leaf and set it in between the two metal bars of the clip. Take a hot glue gun. I like a small one for this. The large one tends to put out too much glue and it gets too hot. You're going to put a few drops of glue on the top of the leaf where the bent part of the clip is. The glue won't go down below, which is nice, so this won't stick to the bottom. And then your flower can stick on top of this leaf. Then it also has a green plastic circle that holds the leaves together. Don't take that off. I want the flower to be facing out, not like up like this. That's the way I like it. I like it to be facing out. Clip on your flower. Do it so that it's facing out as opposed to facing up and so the bent part's here, the leaf is underneath, and then the flower is going to go right on top facing out. And now you're going to glue this leaf onto the flower. And in so doing, you will cover that ugly plastic circle. The leaf makes it look really finished off. See how that looks finished off? And the glue isn't sticking in here because the leaf is in between the flat part of the duckbill clip and the curved part. And now you're ready to wear your beautiful flower clip. These I'm making for James's birthday party. It's a Hawaiian party, so all the girls, when they come in, they can grab one of these and put it on their hair, on their clothes. Just makes it festive. You can also decorate things with it. It's just nice to have a clip on it. Next, we're gonna do the Stargazer Lily part. Now this isn't flat, this is pointy. So it's really important that when you put it on the clip, you're gonna have it like this, not like this. If you did it the wrong way, it would look like this, which might look good from over here, but not from the front. And that's where you want it. It's like a little clip with the curved side on top. Put the leaf in between, put a bit of glue on top. And now this is gonna be clipping in this way with the bent part up. So I'm gonna wanna put my flower on so that it's pointing towards the square part of the clip. Lay it on there. I put some glue onto my leaf to hold it on, and then I'm gonna put additional glue onto the back, the rest of the leaf, and fold it over. We'll finish it off. I have a whole lot to do, so I'm gonna get busy. Thanks so much for watching.